Gemini AI food photography. Here I'm going to show you how to create mouth-watering food explosion product photography with Gemini AI, which you can use to market your product, as you can see on the screen, and which you can use to market your product or say as a photographer. Now to do it, what you do here is to first snap your product. Make sure the fillings show perfectly, as you can see on the screen. Make sure the inner fillings show perfectly, because the AI didn't know what is inside your product or inside your snacks. You can see now to get it accurately. What you do now here is to upload it or paste it if you are using a desktop or laptop. Here I'm using a smartphone. Here I'll click on this plus icon here, click on gallery here. You can paste it if you click on it and click on done and wait for it to upload. Now here there is two prompts you are going to use here. The first one is to create the mouth-watering food explosion product photography, and the second prompt is to add headline, so what to the end to know everything. Now here let me paste the first prompt here. I want to create the mouth-watering explosion product photography here like this. Now here is the prompt. Now here you can see the prompt. Now here on the prompt there's two few things you can customize on the prompt here. Now here you can see, if you slide down here, you can see color appropriate. Now here in this color appropriate, you can select any color you want here, either white, black, blue, or any color. But by default, for the AI to give you the perfect background color, you will leave it in color appropriate. Also here you can see on this down section here, you can see 3.4, which is the aspect ratio. You can customize it to any aspect ratio you like or the dimension you like. Now after editing the prompt, what you do now is to here click on this icon here, select create images, and then click on this icon here where they say fast. Select here thinking here, select it. You can click on the pro one or you can click, but the best is think or pro, but here I will use think. Now here what you do now here is to send the message by clicking this icon here like this and wait for it. As you can see, it is creating it. Now here you can see it creates it. But if you don't like how it creates it, what you do is just click on this edit prompt here. Click on edit prompt. You can see here and resend it by clicking this send message icon again. And then wait for it. Now as you can see how it's created. Here use this second prompt, which I will leave all the prompt in the description section in order for you guys to use, and then tell me how it works. Now here use this second prompt here like this in order to add headline, in order to make it more marketable and more sweet like this. Now here in the second prompt, and here you can edit here the color. Here I'll ask you to maintain the same color like this. Now here on the headline, you can see how here I will change it to 1 bite. Now here on the CTA here I will change it bite me on like this. You can see now here after editing the prompt here like this, you can send it in the send icon here and send it. Now you wait for it to create the headline type. You can see how it's created. If you like how it's created, what you do is just save it by pressing on it and then click on save like this. You can download it anyhow on your system. You can use it now on your social media or any market platform in order to sell your product. And also if you want to know how to remove the watermark here like this watermark, you can check out my channel or check out the description section. You will see the link to know how to do it. Check out the playlist on the screen now to know everything on Gemini AI. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Peace. Bye.